Greetings! This is Sarah Kanairi, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. I'm here to show you how to use BoxTrapper. BoxTrapper allows you to set a spam filter that uses challenge response verification. The sender sends an email, your server sends back a message requesting confirmation, and the sender must respond correctly for the mail to be delivered. This video tutorial will teach you how to enable and configure BoxTrapper, edit confirmation messages and custom lists, review a log of BoxTrapper activity, and deliver, delete, and view messages from the queue screen. Let's log in. There are a couple of different methods to use to access the BoxTrapper interface. If you are a webmail user, enter your username and password in the webmail login interface and click Login. Then, click your username in the upper right corner of the webmail interface and then click BoxTrapper. The BoxTrapper interface will appear. If you are a cPanel user, enter your username and password in the cPanel login interface and click Login. Here we are in the cPanel home interface. Scroll down to the email group and click BoxTrapper. Once again, the BoxTrapper interface will appear. In the BoxTrapper interface, we can see a list of all of the email accounts on the domain. Click Manage next to the appropriate account. A new interface will appear. If you want to enable BoxTrapper for the account, click Enable. A confirmation message will appear. Click Go Back to return to the BoxTrapper interface. If you want to disable BoxTrapper, click Disable, but I'm going to leave BoxTrapper enabled. To configure BoxTrapper, click Configure Settings. A new interface will appear. If any other email addresses forward mail to this account, enter them in the Email Addresses for this account text box, separated with commas. Enter your name in the Your Name text box. Then enter the number of days that you wish to keep a log of all messages your account receives, and how long to keep copies of messages that were sent but have not yet been delivered to your account. Then enter a minimum Apache Spam Assassin spam score. If Spam Assassin awards a score that is lower than the number you enter here, the message bypasses BoxTrapper and is delivered. The lower the score, the harder it is for a message to bypass BoxTrapper. I'm going to set the score really low, at -2.5. If you want to enable automatic whitelisting, select the Enable Automatic Whitelisting checkbox. If you enable this setting, BoxTrapper automatically whitelists any email addresses that you send messages to. If you want to enable whitelisting by association, select the Automatically Whitelist the to and from lines from whitelisted senders checkbox. If you enable this setting, BoxTrapper automatically whitelists the addresses in the to and cc fields of messages from already whitelisted senders. Finally, click Save. Okay, we're finished configuring BoxTrapper. To return to the Configuration Settings interface, click Go Back. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface, click Go Back to BoxTrapper configuration. Next, let's edit BoxTrapper's confirmation messages. Click Edit Confirmation Messages. A new interface with 4 types of messages will appear. Verify Released messages are sent when a message is received and verified. Verify messages are sent when a message is received, but the user needs to reply to verify that it's a legitimate source. Return Verify messages are sent to confirm that a message has been received. And blacklist messages are sent to inform the sender that they are blacklisted and can't send email to the address. Click Edit next to the appropriate message type. We'll edit the message for the blacklist. And how about we add a little something? There, that sounds professional. We'll click Save to save the changes. And we see a confirmation message. To return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface, click Go Back. If we want to set the message back to the way it was originally, we can reset to a confirmation message that's the default message. Then click Reset to Default next to the appropriate message type. A confirmation message will appear. Click Go Back. Once again, To return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface, click Go Back. To edit white, black, and ignore lists for BoxTrapper, click Edit White, Black, Ignore Lists. A new interface will appear. If the sender is on the white list, BoxTrapper delivers the message without the need for confirmation. If the sender is on the ignore list, BoxTrapper deletes the message. If the sender is on the blacklist, BoxTrapper deletes the message and sends a warning message back to the sender. Click Edit Whitelist, Edit Ignore List, or Edit Blacklist. We'll click Whitelist, but the ignore list and the blacklist work the same way. We can add conditions to this page to determine whether a message goes on the whitelist. Type 1 entry per line in the text box. Format what you enter as a Perl regular expression. This means that you need to use slashes to escape the @ symbols and dots so that cPanel doesn't interpret them as code. The interface provides you with some examples to demonstrate how to format your whitelist entries. We won't show you everything here, but you can get very advanced with some of these regular expressions. So let's add fred@example.com. Click Save. And then to return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface, let's click Go Back. Now let's add some forwards. Forwards allow you to set a forwarding address for messages that are whitelisted and verified. To edit the BoxTrapper forward list, click Forward List. A new interface will appear. In the text box, we'll enter the email addresses to which you want to forward verified messages. Let's say the messages will forward to backwards@example.com, and we click Save to save it. There's a confirmation message. And then again, we'll click Go Back to return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface. The BoxTrapper log can help you isolate problems with email delivery to your accounts. To review the BoxTrapper log, click Review Log. Today's BoxTrapper log displays not terribly much. BoxTrapper's had an easy day. To view the log for a different day, use the back or forward arrow links. When you finish reviewing the BoxTrapper log, click Go Back to return to the BoxTrapper configuration interface. To deliver or delete mail from the BoxTrapper queue screen, we'll click Review Queue. To search for a specific message, use the search menu. Select whether you want to search in the sender, subject, or body, and then what you want to search for. Or you can navigate using the back and forward arrow links. There aren't any messages in the queue, but if there were, you could click the box for the messages, then select the action to use on them, delete, or whitelist and deliver. Then click Submit. For more information about cPanel, visit cPanel.com or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!